So yesterday, OpenES actually made a one tweet that likely is likely to make everything every doubt we have been having about OES token launch, listing, airdrop, and every other thing so spicy. Look, they says our design staking reward smart contract is here with 30% of the total supply, blah 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 blah. But this is not the main thing. The reason why I'm making this video, I just want to show you guys, in as much that they made this tweet, they have been making tweets, and a lot of people have been giving bad comments, bad review, just like this first comment. This person says, if on a farm airdrop this long, wanna go happy. So he's actually in Nigerian pidgin English saying, asking OpenES developers, if you guys were the one farming airdrop for this long, will you be happy? It's a very, very funny something, and also he made a point there. But let us not forget that there are a lot of projects out there that was mined for over 5 years. People are still mining PI and they are not complaining. That is Pi. People are mining Pi for how many years? More than, I don't know if it's have reached 10 years since I've known crypto space. I've known PI mining. People are mining it and people are not tired. People are not tired of PI. The same thing goes for B Network. B Network has been in the space for over 5 years. People have been mining B Network. They are not pressuring the developers just like the way they are pressuring the developers of OpenES. I'm not defending them here because they with what they told us then, we expected them to have launched some months ago this year. But you know, this is crypto space, so anything is possible. But the main thing is the progress, not the how fast is it, but how is the progress going. So let's open the post that they made in their Medium handle. Let's see one or two things that is going to entice us in this particular project called OpenES. It says, dear community, we are thrilled to announce the redesign of our staking and everything. You can go ahead and read it, but there is something there that made me believe that OpenES is cool. So let me show you guys. It says the draw near to this. It says our new staking reward system allows users to stake their token for varying duration, offer the different percentage year, that is different API. So come down to it. It says the system will be available shortly after TGE. So that means we are still running their TGE, even though the app is still misbehaving sometimes, but it's all about how the developers are doing their things. It says, so stay tuned to our Twitter to our Twitter for the launching day. So they actually say that after the TGE, let's stay tuned to their Twitter for the launch date. So they have been talking about this launch date for a bit long time now. That means OpenES is actually trying to launch. So for those of you, or should I say those of us that are actually debating if OpenES is a scam or it's not a scam, let me just say that with 90% of what they are now doing shows that OpenES is likely to be a good project, because there's something that happened the other day. I went to swap my is it not there is this project in CTO. I went to swap the dust CTO gave to me, and OpenES network was the network I used to swap it. If I can get the screenshot, I might actually put it in this screen. So why I'm making this video is to show you guys the things we're expecting and to clarify if OpenES is a scam or not. So without saying much, I think I'm done with whatever I'm doing in this video, right? But nevertheless, don't forget to join my Twitter, my Telegram channel, where I drop updates in the community. Don't forget to join so that you will be one of the people to get updates whenever I drop it, just like this particular one I dropped it yesterday. And the project is real. You guys remember, 90.99% of the project I drop on my community handle is always cool. So don't forget to join. So this is it. I hope you guys got value from the video. My name still remains King, and this is ZBK Crypto. See you guys on my next video. Bye.